G'day guys, Scotty here from the Hook and The Ccok, and welcome back to our channel. Today I want to share with you a brand new rod that Shimano's brought out, the Anarchy series. You hit the shelves in August 2021 and they're a fantastic rod, and I'm sure within the range there will be a rod to suit your needs. Today we're doing a product test on the 702 light spin 2 to 4 kilo. So guys, you're in the market for a brand new spinning rod. I hope my little review helps you out. This is the Anarchy 2 to 4 kilo, 702 in length, 2-piece rod. Ideal for brim, whiting and flathead, fishing on baits or spinning with lures. The first area we want to look at is the reel seat. Now, they've removed this centre section on this new reel seat and added a graphite section and some nice graphics through here and along here, giving the rod a nice appearance. I know why they've done this in the centre section. It reduces the weight on the rod in this area, making the whole rod a lot lighter and nicer to use. Moving down the back, they've got a nice extension piece all the way down to a butt cap, and again some really nice graphics in the butt cap that ties the rod together. Okay, moving to the guides. They are high quality Fuji K-frame silicon. They sit off the rod really nice, which I like. They got some nice graphics here as well on the blank. They've got an anti-corrosive material on here too, which is really good, and they should give you years of service. The rod's a 2-piece, and this is a join here. It's so fine and delicate you'd swear you're using a 1-piece rod. This rod's got a really nice feel to it, and all in all so far I'm really impressed with the way it's been put together. I can't wait to get out there and give it a test run on the water. Well, the Anarchy 2 to 4 kilo, pretty impressed with it. It's the first time I've had it out on the water to give it a run. I'm just wandering down a small creek at the moment, chasing a few brim, and it's working really well, doing the job quite nicely. It's nice and light, you can fish with it all day. I've matched it up with a Vanford 2500 HG from Shimano, and 8-pound braid. And it's just a nice combo. It feels really light and nice to use. Now I'm fishing an unweighted bait here, and I'm having no problems at all casting it to the other side of this creek, which is probably around about 30 metres I suppose. So for light lures, soft plastics, hard bodies, or unweighted baits like I'm fishing today, I think the Anarchy will definitely do the job for you. So like I said, they've only just come out. I think hit the shelves in August. So I would be definitely going out and having a look at these guys. They're a really nice rod if you're in the market for a new rod, that is. Fish on. That didn't take too long. It was right in the mouth of the drain over there. Looks like we've got a nice brim. There we have it, guys. Nice brim, probably just legal. And like I said, nice drain over the other side there, and he just came out of that drain. Beautiful fish. Anyway, I'll get him back in the water. Well, there you have it, guys. The Anarchy 702 2 to 4 kilo. Definitely worth thinking about for your next spinning rod. Now, guys, tune in next week for another fantastic clip here on the Hook and the Cook, and we'll see you guys are on the water real soon. Cheers.